my picks again. So last week I made my picks and I won straight from the ocean. Okay, friends, let me interrupt this episode for a little reality check. This entire time I've been on this trip, fires have been raging in Southern California. This morning a fire erupted very near my house. It's right next to the Ronald Reagan Library in Simi Valley. We live in Thousand Oaks. And if that sucker jumps the freeway over towards our house, it's coming right at us. And my wife is wonderful to let me come on this trip by myself, but she's now home packing stuff up. My son is helping tremendously. My friends are helping. My assistant is there. I'm getting a text right as I speak from my wife. So a lot of people are being evacuated and I feel completely helpless. I'm in the middle of the ocean. I'm going to go upstairs and enjoy the scenery that God gave us on this trip and pray and hope for the best. That dude again. He's still happy. Okay, so it's later in the day. When I first talked about this, it was around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock our time, which was in the morning in LA. And so since then, there's now a fire truck, 2 fire trucks in front of our house, and they've knocked on the door and have said, you know, are you leaving? And Belinda's like, I'll leave when you tell me to leave. And so they haven't done that yet. So in better spirits, I'm going to go to dinner, because what can I do? It's a helpless feeling, but I've got some good friends on board here that I've met. I'm going to go have dinner with them, and we'll just try to sit and wait. So let's go enjoy dinner. October 31st. A couple of things. No word overnight about the house. Everything should be fine. Got a little over emotional yesterday, but that's okay. It's your family, it's your wife, anyway. And then the other thing is, I've had like 5 crew guys offer me their socks. If you'll recall, I only had one little measly pair of socks, and I had it in the sock drawer. You saw that from episode 1. The front gift shop had socks, so I was able to get some socks. I'm sure you're wondering what has happened to those original socks. Well, I've used them every single day to work out. And here they are. And no, they have not been washed, cleaned, or anything. If we had smell-o-vision, honey, these socks are coming home to you. You know you're getting close to the Caribbean when you see clouds like this. A little bit of rainfall. That's how the Caribbean looks. So you're on your honeymoon?
Yes.
And who are you here with?
With the parents.
With your parents.
And your wife.
Oh, okay, I'd like to thank my brethren from South Africa. This is a boating. There. Well, it is Friday, November 1st, and for the first time in 11 days, land ho, baby. We have have made it to the magical island of Nevis. You can kind of see it right there. On the final day of a trip, Seedream always does a thing called Champagne Splash, which basically they take the entire kitchen, move it onto the beach, have a big barbecue with champagne, caviar, ribs, the whole 9 yards. And that is what we'll be doing today.
Yeah, don't make me fall.
Look at you, buddy.
It's for you.
Thank you,
Glass of
buddy.
champagne. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Oh, thanks. Caviar. We are at the Chrissy Beach Club, which is where this is all happening. Everybody happy?
We are the luckiest.
Aren't we?
Yeah.
Hello, chef. Oh my gosh, what have you guys made? Look at all this.
Beef. We have some shrimps as well.
Oh, here we go. Here comes the nice big one. Guests and crew. Have fun. Oh, dear Lord.
Well, all in all, a great way to end the trip.
Going across the ocean. Wait a minute.
And ending here with great people, great friends. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe and like. Ah!